Welcome. In front of me is a REALME C35, and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, pull down your notification panel, expand it, and look for the toggle, which for me is located right over here. Now once you locate your screen recording toggle, you can simply tap on it. Then choose if you want to record sound by toggling it on, and also you can choose what sound it will record, so you can have either microphone, device audio, or both. And if you don't want any, obviously keep that off. And then we have show touches on screen, which will just show you on the recording a semi-transparent gray dot wherever you are pressing the display. Anyway, I'm gonna start recording right now, so it does a countdown. And from there it will start recording. So whatever you do right now will be recorded by the device. And once you're done, as you can see, you just pull down your notifications, tap to stop, and this will stop the recording and save it in your gallery. And there it is. So anyway, this is how you can record your screen on this phone, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.